Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. If you're a laptop warrior, you'll know the horror of having an hour's worth of work left, but only 30 minutes of battery. There are many things you can do to help your battery stay healthier for longer. First, tweak your laptop's power settings. Turn on Battery Saver and adjust your screen brightness. Keeping it dim saves more power than you think. Avoid fully draining your battery. Instead, use hibernation mode. Close background apps and turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you don't need them. And here's a myth buster. Keeping your laptop plugged in isn't a crime. Modern laptops know how to manage a full charge. If you want to check your battery's health, apps can give you real-time insights. We help businesses get the most from their devices every day. If we can help you do the same, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.